So this is the Hopewell Furnace Historical Site, located in Berks County, Pennsylvania. The actual location itself was built in 1771, and the actual historical site was established in the 1930s. Not bad for 1700s technology, eh?
Iron. I'm the king! King right, king right, king right, king right!
So this is the remains of the old charcoal kilns. Really kind of creepy, to be honest, of what was left of them and what they used to look like. Wow, that's a lot of creativity going in that construction. And this is the massive charcoal pit. Wow, this is big. Oh look, charcoal. And this is the actual furnace itself. And down there is the water wheel that supplied the oxygen to make the iron for this place. Love the smell of water here. And now I am walking to the Iron Master's house, also known as the Big House. But first, let's look inside the Buckley and Brook office and store and see what's in store. I gotta be really careful here. Might slippery. And those would have been the prices back then during the day. And here it is, the big house where the Iron Master and his family lived. There are rumors of some paranormal activity inside this building. Let's just hope I won't encounter any. Hello? Anybody home? That's kind of creepy. Cheese and crackers, anyone? And here is the kitchen. Upstairs would have been the place where the guests would have stayed on the third floor. Kinda cool seeing all these neat stuff. And here I am, walking towards the blacksmith shop.
If you're looking for Dave Jenkins, he ain't here. I'm Sam Hausman, and glad to talk blacksmithing as I sure can use a rest. Yep, the 1825 Schuylkill Canal ended right into Philadelphia, but horses' shoes still wear out, and everything in and out of here is by horses. Did you hear Ben Hill rave about his horses? And horses' hooves grow? So shoes need remaking about 4 times a year. And shoes can loosen and fall off on the road, and then Sam Hausman gets called out of bed. We smiths hammer out tools from the furnace for the miners and keep them sharp, all from wrought iron.
Now this will be a good site to throw poo sticks. If you're a Winnie the Pooh fan, you probably know what I mean. And here are a couple of cows. This is Milky, and this is Dairy. Milky and Dairy, the cow couple. Also, my dad just told me that these are actually bulls. I don't care. That's still keeping in the video. And here are a couple of houses, plus the old boarding house. And here is a back view of the entire facility, plus the bulls. This is where they would live. So y'all get heat from all that smoke. And finally, this is the interior of the boarding house. Recommend you come here. This is a rather historical place, and it's nice seeing a bit of old Pennsylvania history being restored to its former glory. Yeah, it's really neat. So, see you all later in the next video.